You have always wanted to import goods from outside the country, especially places like China and United States of America, and you don't know how to go about it, and you get confused. You think those that import goods from outside the country are only those who have traveled from or any of those countries. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to import goods, whatever good of your choice, from outside the country, and you don't have to pay a dime for anybody to teach you or any tutorial, and it will come down to your house, directly to your house in Nigeria, or to the post office closest to you in Nigeria for free. So watch this video to the end. I have live proofs and everything that I'm going to use to teach you this, so stay tuned. Alright, where we are going to here is you just have to enter in your browser, either you're using mobile phone or you're using laptop. Go to AliExpress. I know most of y'all may already be familiar with this, but you may not really have experienced it much, and there are two websites that I personally get these orders from. Number one is this AliExpress, then the second one is Alibaba. Okay. Alibaba. But Alibaba is not always friendly for those that want to make smaller orders. They always expect you to make orders in bulk, and some orders has minimum quantity and some have and the minimum quantity, let's say you might see a product on Alibaba that is okay, let's say for instance, now let me go to somewhere clothing or beauty, something like this, beauty equipment. Alright, or let me just type a product, let me say clothes or sneakers. Okay, you can see, let's say I want to order these sneakers right here. You can see minimum order. You can see the minimum order is two pairs. The minimum order is 2 pairs. So some products have higher minimum order. Some products have higher minimum order, and some are two. In most cases, some may allow you to order just one, but mostly there's a minimum order. Some could be 50, some could be 100, some could be 200, some could be 1,000 and more. So you don't want to, you may not have the budget for that. So it is on this AliExpress that you can order products in one quantity or two, or the quantity could be just as specified by you. Alright, let's say you want to order something like this apparel you're looking at right here, and let's say you want to order this apparel, and then did I just click on that? Yeah, I did. So now you can see, before you order any product, you have to be sure that enough persons have ordered them, and the rating is good. You can see it has a rating of 4.8, which is good. That's over 89%, and about 1,989 orders. So which means people are really getting the product, and most times you have to check below to see the customers. What do they call it? Customer review. So you can see it comes in different shade, and before you make any order for any apparel or for any product of your choice that you want, you have to be sure that there's an option for shipping to Nigeria. All right, let's check these shipping processes. If you're using AliExpress standard shipping, the cost is $8, but the product will arrive about 20 to 35 days. And if you're using any of these options down here, you can see their prices. But for me, I haven't used any of these options down here. I've always used the first option, which are AliExpress shipping standard, and most of the product comes down within 35 days, and except during the coronavirus that this thing. So looking at this now, let's say you choose that particular option. By now you can see the number of pieces available. You can choose more if you want, and choose in different color and shades in which you want them. So let's say you get this product 9 for about $141.64, and that's about 60K, if I'm not mistaken, according to the exchange rate right now. And but most times you don't have to go for you're in Nigeria and you want to order product that you can sell. This product, if you see them in Nigeria right here, you will see let's say this is sold at $19. You may not see the prices at that amount. It could be more, like it could be about $40 or so. So most times when you search for product, you can search for a product that is a bit lesser in prices. Like before checking for product, you can change you can check for top selling and top selling product. You can choose price specification. You can choose the one that has free shipping by hitting the free shipping option. You can see here there's no top selling product that has free shipping right here, according to that's on this store. Now I'll have to go back to AliExpress right now and check it. All right. So you have a whole lot of options. You can check best matches, new orders. If you tap this button, it will either give you products with very low prices and the one of free shipping. So whatever product you're looking for, let's say I want to order something like slippers from this place, and I search. Now after searching, you can decide to put in the minimum amount that you like to that your budget is on, and you can click on this free shipping if you want the ones that there is no shipping fee. You can see all these other ones, they are free shipping. You can see the slippers here is about $1.33 to $4.3. If you buy this $1.32, it could be about 500 right now, or 600, and then when it comes to Nigeria, you can say it's about 3,000. You can see you'll be making a whooping lot of profits. And all this you're seeing down here has free shipping. Look at this heel right here, it's about 15 to 59, $57.9. All right, so this is a heel that on Nigeria here you can set about 60 to 70,000 naira, and how much you will be buying it at a free shipping rate will be about around $57, which is about right now should be about 23,000. All right, so there are a whole lot of products, and here you can choose the ones with the lowest from the lowest prices. Okay, and then if I tap that down, it will start from the highest prices. So whichever one you're ordering, you can choose whatever one. No problem. So you can choose whichever within the price range that you want. So it's just as easy as that. And when you're entering your address, now there's what they call your address while making order. You have to choose you have to enter your address correctly. And entering your address correctly, you have to enter your postal code. And most of us, we don't know our postal code. If you don't know your postal code, what you just have to do, go to Google and type postal code. Let's say you live in let's say I am living in Rumokoro, River State, Port Harcourt. I just have to type Rumokoro postal code, and it will pop up. All right. And so this is the postal code for Rumokoro. It means whatever order I'm making, and then I enter my address correctly, the city, the closest city to my house, and the postal code, the product will be shipped to the closest postal office that is closest to my address. And for me, I don't know, I live somewhere away from Rumokoro actually, but this is the postal code I use, and I still get it shipped to the closest postal office around me, and I get my goods in good condition. And every single, although some persons might complain, if you follow the instruction I've given in this video, although some persons may complain that they don't get their order, but the system has a way you can chat with the person you ordered from, and when you chat with the person you order from, they can resend an order, or they can, if you cannot track the order, you can chat the seller up and they will help you with the tracking. And every single product I've ordered here, I've always received them. So you can take a look at the next video I'm going to show you. It's not possible for me to show you every single product I've ordered. I'll show you the few ones that I'm able to review as at the time it was. Well, this is just let's say about a few of over 100 products that's been ordered, and they are still on their way. Hopefully before the week runs out, some might be available. This ring, size 9. Okay, let me wait. Okay, I'll trade this on later. Okay, this wristwatch, this your Blinks wristwatch, you can see. And then the other thing that came in is retail stand. And the funny thing is that actually this retail stand, ordering it in Port Harcourt or around Port Harcourt, is very difficult to see. In fact, we've gone around Port Harcourt and we couldn't find this retail stand. And the only place we found it some weeks ago, which was last week, one of these retail stand was 18,000 naira one. And funny enough, this retail stand, I ordered one and it came in two. They sent two, though it's been a very long time. I think this one, the second one, just a compensation, but it came in two, obviously. So if you need one of these, you can make your order. It will be put on the website very soon. Thank you.